So now let's see how we can use something called the stamp tool inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So to do that, on the left side, you can see that there's the stamp icon right here. And once you click on this, then what happens is that you get a stamp, as you can see right here. I can click and there you go. You use it like a stamp. So what you can also do is you can go around and then change around the stamp right here, just like this. So by using the slider, and you can see different sizes, as you can see right here. You can click right here. This is another stamp. Go around over here, and this is, let's say, for example, another stamp right here, as you can see. So if I were to go around into size of the stamp, then you can see that this is what you have. If I were to click and drag, you can see that the stamp paints out as if this was a, let's say, for example, continuous stamp right here. So let me just go around and create out a new board right here because that board is getting crowded. So over here, there's different type of stamps right here. As I click, you can see that these are different stamps right here with different visuals, as you can see right here. So these are the series of visuals, and you can also go around, click and drag it to actually go around with the stamp right here. You can go around over here onto let's say, for example, other type of stamps over here as well. So there's colorful type of stamps right here, as you can see, and there's like puzzle like stamps right here. So let me just go around, select this, and these are different type of stamps, as you can see right here. So you can work around with this stamp scale according to how you like it. Another thing that you can do is you can go around, and over here there's different options over here for stamps as well. So you can click over here and there's like minimum scale that you can work with. As you can see, you can work around with maximum scales, and here you can see an example. You can change around the angle of the stamp, the spacing of the stamp right here, so you can really squeeze them out together as well. And you can work around with random sizes as well. So once you're happy with the settings, you can go around and click and drag, and you can see that the stamp settings get applied right here. And as you drag, the stamps get applied out. So that is how you can use the stamp tool inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.